In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporary close on booking.com. If you need to pause bookings for a while, maybe for maintenance, a personal break, or a quick refresh, you don't delete your listing. Instead, you use the snooze option. Snoozing makes your property unbookable for the period you choose, and it can automatically reopen when you're ready. Here's how to do it from the booking.com Extranet. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, head to the Property tab. Open General Info and Property Status, sometimes labeled Manage Listing depending on your layout. Look for the option to snooze property or snooze your listing. Select the reason that best fits your situation, such as maintenance or taking a break. Then set your start and end dates. Before you confirm, double-check the dates and your time zone to ensure the pause begins and ends exactly when you expect. When everything looks correct, click Confirm or Save. If your start date is today, the change takes effect right away. You can also reach the same setting through your calendar. Go to Rates and Availability, then open Calendar. Find Availability Settings, choose the snooze or reason field, set your start and end dates, and confirm. This path leads to the same result, so use whichever route you find quicker in your account. Once snoozed, your property is hidden from guests in search results, and you won't receive new bookings during the snooze period. Existing confirmed reservations stay in place, and you'll still need to honor those bookings. Your listing will automatically reopen on the end date you set, but you can bring it back sooner at any time. To do that, return to the same menu and choose Unsnooze or Reopen Listing. After reopening, it's a good idea to glance at your calendar to ensure availability shows as open and your rates, restrictions, and minimum stays are as intended. A few practical tips can make this smoother. If you're pausing for specific work, block out enough time to avoid repeated snoozes. Doing it too often can slightly affect your ranking in search results. If your break is very short, sometimes simply blocking specific dates in the calendar is more precise than a full snooze. During the pause, keep an eye on your inbox for messages from current guests and consider updating your automated messages so guests know you're still supporting existing stays. That's it. Your listing is safely paused and you're in control of when it comes back. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your availability with confidence.